Hi guys, so we're here at Ant Farm. I'm here with Paul and Emer, who's talking with the guide, and we're going up there to Paminahawa Ridge if we can go there right now. So I think it will rain and it's gonna be a hard hike for today. So let's go. Let's try. Come on. So before we start the hike, we'll be paying tributes. Paul. See? Paying tributes.
Yeah.
So let's go.
Let's go.
Let's go. So we're starting here from our Ant Farm in Kanaya, Malaybalay City, and we're going there, and it's raining. It's gonna be an adventure. Let's go. Look at that. Look at that. Let's go. Let's go. We can do it. We have our first stop near the bamboo bridge.
Can you show the bridge?
I will show the bridge first, but I have to navigate first the muddy terrain. Woohoo!
Be careful, you're gonna slip. Oh.
Yeah.
Slipping with the siren.
Towards this bridge, you see?
The bridge to Tirabit.
See how dangerous it is?
It's not very dangerous. It's a... Let's go.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Oh, here it goes. It's kind of slippery because our foot is muddy. What? Woo! Second stop, about 1/3 of the ridge that we were supposed to be hiking, and I think the cloud is, as you can see, dark. But I hope it won't rain that much, so we can set up tent there and rest. Huh? Our third stop.
Second stop.
Third.
Third stop.
Oh yes, third stop.
Third stop.
And
We are halfway.
we are
Tama
halfway.
no?
And honestly, and the funny thing is there is a highway. All right. Okay.
So
Oh.
why did we walk 1.8 kilometers if a highway is here already, Kiko?
Yeah, I don't know, but we love
love
hiking.
adventure.
We love
Yeah.
adventure. That's what. That's what it is, right?
Good reasoning.
Good reasoning.
We love nature. We don't need this road. We don't need this road. Joke. But of course we need this road. This is a bypass
Yes.
going to my hometown and his hometown.
In the home.
Yes. And my hometown.
Yeah.
And see the clouds.
It is. So
You see the clouds? You point to the clouds. See.
Have you seen the clouds? There, huh?
What
Yeah.
do you say to the clouds? Ayaw, cool.
Ayaw, col. Hindi na maayaw, col. Ayaw ba?
See, it's like foggy over there.
It's foggy.
Yeah.
So the another hill over here,
Yeah, we have to climb another hill.
and we will see the ridge already, I guess. So let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Come on.
Mga 5, 7.
We've stopped by at a small house up here along the road,
Yes.
and this is our last push, right?
Maybe.
Maybe last push towards the ridge.
All right.
Right. Huh?
Fourth stop, we will be commencing our last push in 2 minutes time. Emer, and this is Paul, and we are already feeling very cold because it's Bukidnon. It's a very cold place. Let's go.
Let's go. So I'm actually pretty tired, huh? But we'll push through, and we'll go to the ridge. We're almost there. So come on, let's go. At exactly what time is this?
6:45.
6:45. We have arrived at the summit, and we're setting up camp. We're setting up camp here at the Paminahawa Ridge, and after this we'll wait for an opening or clear skies. I hope, because this is Bukidnon weather. You know what it is, right? It's unpredictable because it's Bukidnon. Morning, guys. We're here at Paminahawa Ridge, and we've tent out there last night, and today we're waiting for the sunset. And look at this view. Look at that. We're here at a ridge in Paminahawa Ridge, waiting for sunrise, and my friend Emer is there in the other ridge, waiting for the sunrise also. And I want you to see this one also. Look at that. See that? That is Mount Kitanglat. Very near. Wow. Soon. Okay.
SM1.
Video. This is our guide, Kuya Lito. Look at this scenic highway. Soon to be a road here. Going to Manolo. Ba? Manolo? To Manolo for teach. Pineapple capital.
We slide the rides,
Yes.
zip line.
Going to the Hilayan.
Are we gonna walk to the Hilayan?
Yes. Let's try.
What day will we reach there?
Yeah. We will reach there by
Tuesday.
Tuesday or Friday. 5-day trek. Oh, there. Let's go.
Let's go! Let's go!
Pit stop before we hike another few kilometers.
Hanging Bridge! 1.1 kilometers more.
1.1. And this is the where? Hanging bridge. Yeah. It's not a hanging bridge, it's a bamboo bridge. Yeah. Made by locals. So we're here at the Emer's car again.
So we have survived!
We have survived Paminahawa Ridge.
Paminahawa Ridge!
Hawa. So we are going to Pamahaw Ridge.
We go to Pamahaw.
Late breakfast.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Alright, guys, see you next time.
Next time. So we're here at Albert's in Malaybalay City. And we're eating lechon, of course. Rendang and chop suey. We're hungry. So let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's eat.
Kasi let's go.